Recently, I surprised my husband with a garage makeover, and part of that was building this really awesome workbench, but it needed a drawer, so I ordered this single small drawer that I could mount right to the bottom of the butcher block tabletop. It also came with this hardware where, say you have a stiffener bar or some kind of bar underneath the tabletop, it can help give it some space so you can still install it over that bar. It came with very clear instructions to show both ways to install the item. It's a very sturdy metal, and it did come with a couple imperfections, but I really didn't care just because it was going to be part of a workbench. I used 2 quick grip clamps to help hold it up. You could also flip the table over and install it upside down, which would probably be a lot easier, but I just didn't have that option since I was doing this project all on my own and the table was already built. Initially, I tried to use an impact driver because it's short and compact, but that did not fit into the space. I then grabbed the right angle screwdriver bit, and that worked great. You just have to make sure you have enough pressure to get that screw up into the wood. If I had this to do over again, obviously I would have flipped that table over, but I didn't have the drawer insert until later into the project. Even though screwing upside down is not ideal, I got it done. At the very end, I grabbed my screwdriver and just make sure all the screws are tightened. Then I released those clamps and gave it a whirl. This drawer worked out perfectly for our needs. It's a great addition to the workbench, and we can put plenty of tools, but you could also use it in an office desk.